Let's talk about renovation. What renovations to a home typically bring you the biggest return on investment? For me, in my opinion, a new roof, impact windows, new flooring, new kitchen, new bathroom. So let's start with the new roof. Nobody wants to put a new roof on. Nobody wants to go through the hassle of smelling the tar and having the workmen in their homes for a couple of weeks, pulling the permits, getting one permit finalized, getting another. So for me, putting on new roof is a major renovation, and I would pay more, and I think most buyers absolutely pay more if they don't have to put on a new roof. What about impact windows? I just put impact windows in my house. One, it was expensive. Two, it took months, had to pull the permits, they had to get the product, they had to install it. I think it took over 6 months for me to get my windows installed. Once I did, I was thrilled, and it was fast like that. I mean, they had those, they pop them out, they pop them in. But I know it's going to bring me a lot more money when I do put my home on the market. I think my next project is the kitchen. The kitchen is the heart of the home. And when people come to your home, everybody seems to gravitate to the kitchen. They either want to help you cook, or they'll help you prepare, or you're making drinks, unless you have a nice bar area. So for me, it's going to be roof, impact windows, upgraded kitchen. I can talk more about that, but those are just 3 areas, and there are other areas that I would say would still bring you a big return on investment. So read my ebook or call me and I'll give you other ideas. I love doing what I do, and I love to help if I can. This is Denise with the All Florida Home Team.